in the coffin. If anybody says they gave me a L, they be sleep talking. I could be asleep and walking, river water drip, dropping filter on acrylic ears like fuzzy filters on the Walkman. Yeah, back row classic since my debut track list. Had the Tahoe smoking since my Rolling Stone hit. Dirty boys, that is us on the game like ticks. Best check, high and low like a creek bank, bitch. All my horses in the front yard, hit the switch to turn the key on. You might see a Bronco being deep on, made a trail, no lane to be a leapfrog. Where to? Back forth, but me, of course, stuck dope. My choice, and I don't mean drugs like salt. Two slugs, too slow, dried up, red carpet, a rug, and I'm a white cow shit on the entrance. No bonfire for these celebs, they might melt like plastic at a close distance. If you got a big pen with no interest, you're pretty much a photo op like some planned Polaroid pic. I stay literature when I split the word to get the curve, wiring up a system to help get me heard. So sit and learn, slang with Jordan says hit the burbs. I'm the shit in the studio, don't slip on turn. We ain't gonna click if your rhythm ain't with the curve. I'm possum dodging, smoking pot, looking at pothole swerve. Hey, fuck it, I ain't worried about the police when I'm cruising. Hellcat ain't no thing, my dusty boots gon' lose them. Driving skill be something action movie stupid. So many lanes, Bo and Luke couldn't even do it. All these country stars be acting like some groupies, Instagramming like they divas out here trying to get some smooches. Ugh, you ain't no Hank Williams Sr. cause you suited. Dreams hollow cause you ain't seeing them lucid. Shot through the heart and the arrow not from Cupid. Music City leave you deaf like you been jamming the Q-tips. Blue notes, blue music, but where the blueprint? All I'm seeing is a CMT2 skit. Luke Combs' eyes so close, one punch look like two fists. Morgan Wallen, Ratatouille, you proof riding in that V6. Hey, fuck it, I ain't worried about the police when I'm cruising. Hellcat ain't no thing, my dusty boots gon' lose them. Driving skill be something action movie stupid. So many lanes, Bo and Luke couldn't even do it. Hey, fuck it, I ain't worried about the police when I'm cruising. Hellcat ain't no thing, my dusty boots gon' lose them. Driving skill be something action movie stupid. So many lanes, Bo and Luke couldn't even do it.
Blue moon, how I wish you could talk. I spent many nights rambling in your ear. Even though you're a glowing rock, I find peace listening to the critters move in the woods. If every human was a moon, maybe I'd be understood. Yo, blue moon, I wanna pour a tall glass of you to cleanse my soul of the trouble I've been and the damage I'm gonna do. Oh, blue moon, I wanna be just like you, so I can be lonely in the silence of space and observe this world of doom. Oh, blue moon. Red sun, you try to drain me of my vibe. I sweat my soul in Mother Nature's skin every second I step outside. And I gasp for air when the rays beam down. I look to you, but you blind me. But when you go down, the heat's not found, and I know my old friends behind me. Yo, blue moon, I wanna pour a tall glass of you to cleanse my soul of the trouble I've been and the damage I'm gonna do. Oh, blue moon, I wanna be just like you, so I can be lonely in the silence of space call, oh blue moon. I wanna pour a tall glass of you, cleanse my soul of the trouble I've been and the damage I'm gonna do. Trouble of rain, smiling at death in my casket champagne. I see the future, so they blame cocaine. My mind on levels of solo domain. I'm woven in music, my words being crocheted. I will die hard as if I'm John McClane. Bend every sword at my neck with bare hands. Leave with my limbs and a smile like it's planned. I'm only half human, staring at the moon and wish I could touch the glow so soothing. Look to the sky for the feeling of the next place. Shiny disc says hello from far away. I've seen silver circles. I've seen silver circles. Swim in serotonin to numb all the pain. The best place to be is inside of my brain. If y'all could come see it, then you'd be amazed, but also in fear, cause it can't be explained. I paint vivid pictures, not stuck in one frame. I need no color to start throwing shade. I travel quickly, no time to make space. Light speed with pen so I can't be erased. I'm only half human, staring at the moon and wish I could touch the glow so soothing. Look to the sky for the feeling of the next place. Shiny disc says hello from far away. I've seen silver circles. I've seen silver circles. Check. Hey, if you got one, light that bitch up, motherfucker. Yeah. This, that, ride around for no reason. Got the windows tad, cracked that and I'm cheaping. Yeah, yeah. This, that, rooftop with a speaker, blue dream and a swisher, full moon never clear. Yeah, yeah. This, that, ride around for no reason. Got the windows tad, cracked that and I'm cheaping. Yeah, yeah. This, that, rooftop with a speaker, blue dream and a swisher, full moon never clear. Yeah. This that Optimo, that Oldsmobile. This that pull up by myself, no security with me, no, not here. This that I don't take orders, I don't take shit. I've been drinking water and hitting that gym. 2021, I be going real big, so big they be like, hey, carry that shit. Dog, I've been stressing out of stress gone. Strutting in the game years long. Had a bunch of people try me, now them same lames, yeah, they all gone. Drop a project and my team yawn. You fuck
shit, there's a cop on my bumper. This, that, 212s in a boarded box, got the slap sounding like thunder. This, that, aha, that fuck you. This middle finger when I pass, dude. That's a lifestyle that I attach to, and when the world ends, I'm still that dude. Mr. Backwoods, Mr. Tennessee, Mr. Ain't no telling what I'm finna be. Going down to Music City history, but telling mainstream to go suck a D. All this other cover, baby, ain't for free, especially when you rollin' real as me. It's 615 to the Crimson Green. I'm the farms, rivers, hills, and the creeks.
Yeah, yeah, but we ain't worried about you. The cheese we on be blue, and you can't fit these shoes, yeah.